Hello everyone, I am Shweta and welcome to my channel Analytics by Shweta. In today's video, we will learn how to create the infographic funnel chart in Excel. If you see, we have a recruitment process steps given over here, and then we have the applicants count in each of this. If you see, it's a reducing count. That is, it starts at 1200 and it goes to 100. So what it means is out of 1200 applications, 800 went into the screening step. Then out of those 800, 500 went to the review stage and so on. So if you see, it's a reducing. This chart is completely dynamic. For example, if you go here in 800, if you put 1000, you see this bar automatically updates. Let us reduce it to 750. You see this chart automatically updates. It's a more visually appealing chart. So let's see how to create this chart in Excel. You select your data. You go to Insert. You go to Recommended Charts, All Charts, and you select a funnel chart. So your normal funnel chart is prepared over here. It doesn't have that infographic feel to it. Let us select the axis. Let us make it black. Let us use the impact font. Let me just increase it. I'll also remove the chart title. So you can go ahead and use this funnel chart also, but we want to make it into an infographic fashion. So what we do is first we go to Insert, we go to Smart Art, and in Pyramid, we select this inverted pyramid. Let's go and say OK. I have added this onto the chart. If you see, we have 6 steps in our recruitment process, but we have only 3 blocks over here. So we will add 3 blocks more so that we have 6 complete sections in this inverted pyramid also. Next, you need to select this pyramid and say convert to shapes. And then the shape format, you will say no outline. Now we have 6 sections over here. Give each of these sections a color. So I'll start with the first section. I give it a dark green color. Then I go to the next section. I give it a blue color. And similarly, I'll do it for the other sections as well. Now what you need to do is select the first section and do Ctrl C. Then select the first point and go to Fill, Picture or Gradient and select Clipboard. So you see the first green is pasted here. Do it for the second section also. I do Ctrl C. I select it. I go to the Picture or Gradient Fill and I say from Clipboard. So what you need to do is you need to copy each section and paste it on the individual series one by one and use picture or texture fill and from clipboard. Let me quickly do it for the other sections as well. So I have done the pasting of these sections on top of this. So you need to click each individual series and then click each of the individual series over here and then fill and then do picture or texture fill and from clipboard. So if you see, this chart is completely dynamic. If I go here and I put it as 1500, this chart automatically updates. Let's make this 800 as 600. So I've made it 600. You see the bar has automatically reduced. So it's an infographic chart. Remember, it's a funnel chart. So it's a reducing count which you have. You can't have something in between which is higher than this value. That would not serve the purpose of a funnel chart. Funnel chart is a reducing numbers and the topmost layer has the highest number and the bottommost layer has the lowest number. So in this way, you can create your infographic funnel chart in Excel. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell for more updates. Thank you for your time and have a nice day.